Yeah, the main goal is just to see a kiwi right in the bush. A wild kiwi. Whether it's at night or during the day. So we're finally on the right track, which is the main thing. I've only got 1 litre of water here. 2 clicks up the road is the hut where the resupply is. So we got a lot of cordage here, see? Note to self, do this shit before you come out. Because now I've just got a huge spaghetti of fucking paracord. Yeah, pretty happy with this. Done the admin, got the sleeping bag out. Got firewood here. Potential for a fire later, so that's the magic of the forest. And that's the entire reason Stewart Island is a place to come camping. Okay, so I'm going to show you. See, there's the camp. And we're just going to walk out here. I'm going to show you the beach. And that way to the North Arm Hut's where we're heading tomorrow morning. Coming down here. Just a little pathway. This weather's definitely settled in. It's like right down to the sea level there. You can see way over there. So I reckon we're in for a whole night of just consistent rain. Charging station there. So yeah, here we are in the tent. Just watching Mad Max again. Fury Road, such a good film. We had a bit of a storm last night, eh? It wasn't too bad, but a lot of trees were blowing around. So I was kind of awake from like 1 till about, I don't know, 3 o'clock maybe. But yeah, I effectively only have this much water, 100 mils roughly, 100 mils. So I've been rationing that for the last, few hours. Screamers. Must be mating season, eh? Okay, so here's the campsite. North Arm campsite. Plenty of space for multiple tents, shelter, water. Really happy with this spot. It's currently only midday, but this wasn't a tramping trip, this was a bloody camping trip, so I think I might camp right here. A bit of paracord goes a long way. Now I've got a clothesline and I can hang this up. Okay, so just to show you, this is the water quality from the bottom of the tank. Pretty grimy. Fuck, it's actually pretty bad. Here's the quality from the top of the tank. So a lot cleaner, eh? Look at that. So just grab it from the top. Nice. Definitely going to need more firewood. Plan tomorrow is to, well, tonight and tomorrow, so we're going to hit the hay soon. Well, not soon, after dinner. We're going to get up at 10 o'clock, have a scout around for some kiwis. So yeah, Port William tomorrow. Walk the track in the very early morning between 4 and 7, so that'll give me, like, hopefully some opportunity to see these things during the dark. A lot of noises back here and back here, so hopefully there's kiwis kind of scurrying around already. Well, I imagine there would be, 100%. Yeah, just a mouse. Yeah, the main thing is we're having a look around, eh? Let's get one. Definitely coffee time. Yeah, I'd say 3 degrees, which is actually quite nice. Time lapse last night caught a lot of activity during the night. We're going to get a nice early start today to get on the track, see if we can find anything. Just got the shooting star. Fucking perfect. Okay, campsite's packed. Everything's in the bag. And we Oscar Mike. Port William, 6 hours. This is the track junction. We're heading up there. Okay, as you can see, there's actually some kiwi prints here. That's actually a really good sign. They look quite old though, not fresh. That's the closest I've seen to a bloody kiwi so far. I reckon we're halfway now. knows where these fellas are, honestly. Who knows? I don't. Okay, so this is Mary Bay campsite. The actual campsite's just there with the shelter and the water. Just around the corner here. The most beautiful little spot. So yeah, we're just going to hunker down for a couple of hours, catch up on some sleep because we only got 4 or 5 hours last night proper. There's the wee shelter. Home from home. Have a look down here. There's the tracks I've been looking at. Now, to me that looks like Kiwi tracks, right? Or it could be them bloody birds that live out on the beach. Just got some dinner on the go, try and warm up. And then yeah, I guess we'll just wait for nightfall and have a look around outside and then shoot back to Oban tomorrow. So the trip's pretty much coming to an end now. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty much the last camp. I was so excited for the first one, but now it's just like, damn, haven't seen jack shit, unfortunately, which is a shame. Can't see much out there. Might have a wander around a bit later, maybe early morning or late evening. But yeah, pretty much just holding out now. I can't believe my luck, honestly. I can't believe it. He came right up to the tent. I just popped out just to get some stuff and have a look around, and then bang. He's right there, right next to my tent. Unreal. I just can't believe it. I'm the luckiest person in the world. This has made everything worth it. This is my life right now, just waiting for something to pop out again. It's about 5:30. At about 5 o'clock or 4:30 I heard squawking and rustling and all that. And the rain eased at about 3:30. But yeah, basically he was just behind the tent again, wandering around, and then I seen him in the grass area over there. So I tried to get out there with the red light. Now, I know all of you are thinking like, why don't you just use red light? Well, when I use red light, I can't see fuck all. Yeah, what an amazing place. It's like a bloody Far Cry scene, eh? Like beach, tent, moon, Kiwis running around. But yeah, just an incredible experience, absolutely incredible. And it's been like such a privilege to spend a night with a Kiwi, like right next door. Incredibly hard to film, like incredibly. So yeah, definitely an experience, a really good challenge for me. 3 days solo. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching.